Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. Today in this video we are going to study a very important concept, a very important topic from Depositories Act 1996. The topic of registered owner and beneficial owner. Who is the registered owner? Who is the beneficial owner when we are talking about a depository and depository participant? In the previous video, we have tried to understand the entire securities market and the various participants which are present in the securities market, depositories, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, stock exchange, the merchant bankers, the companies, the investors, all this we have tried to understand. You can find the link of this video in the description below. In a very short span of time, the entire securities market have been explained in that video. Moving on with this video, first of all, iExamB is offering a flat 70% off on all IBPS RRB Scale 2 and Scale 3 online courses. We have IBPS RRB courses for IT, for AFO, GBO and legal as well. There is flat 70% off and the coupon code is success. So if you are interested in any of the course, hurry up. The offer is soon going to end. Now beginning with our understanding of the important topics. So as we have studied, there are three important institutions, three important acts for SEBI Grade A law officer that we need to study in securities law. The Depositories Act 1996, Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992 and Stock Exchanges Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956. In this video, we will discuss few important points from Depositories Act. There are four terms, four important players in the Depository Act. The one is depository itself, the other is depository participant, investor and client, and the other one is issuer or RTAs. First of all, what is the purpose of this Depositories Act? This act provides a platform for converting the physical securities to the electronic form to the dematerialized form. Where earlier security certificates were issued to the investors or the clients, now after this act those securities can be converted to electronic form and the transfer of these securities has become comparatively easy. So whenever an investor is having any of the securities, it will approach the depository participant to get them converted to electronic form. The depository participant will then transfer the form along with the securities to the deposit. The depository will then inform the issuer about the interest of the investor to convert the securities to the demat form. Now after receiving this request, the issuer will enter the name of the depository which has sent it the request, the name of that depository in its books as the registered owner, and the depository will mention the name of the investor as the beneficial owner in its books. So if we look at it, we have an issuer company and suppose the company is A. A has issued shares and the investor wants to purchase those shares in a demat form. Through a depository participant, the investor will apply to the depository for converting the securities to the demat form. The issuer company will record the name of this depository as the registered owner. So depository will become the registered owner. In the depository's register, an index of beneficial owners is maintained and here the name of the investor will be mentioned as the beneficial owner. The depository will not have any voting rights. However, the investor who is actually buying or selling the shares will be having the voting rights and will be receiving the dividends on the shares in which it has invested. So what is the role of the depository participant? It acts as an agent between the depository and the investor. It provides depository services to the investor just like a bank branch. Suppose A is a person who holds the securities of Reliance Industries and it wants it to be converted into demat form. A will approach a depository, suppose it approaches NSDL through a depository participant. Here the NSDL will then approach the Reliance Industries, which is the issuer. So NSDL here will become the registered owner and A will become the beneficial owner. So this is the basic understanding what is the registered owner and what is the beneficial owner. I hope this is clear. At iExamB, we try to provide you such clarity in concepts. iExamB has various running courses. We provide SEBI Grade A, IT, Legal, General and Research exclusive as well as comprehensive online course. And we also have IBPS SO Law Officer courses. If you're interested in any of the course, you want guidance, you can visit our website. You can call on this number which is mentioned on the screen. At iXambi, we have expert faculties for law which guide you at every step of your law officer exam preparation. In order to get all the updated information related to notification relating to upcoming exams, subscribe to iXambi channel, click the bell icon. Thank you.